In this video, I'll teach you how to create a master project in Microsoft Project. In Microsoft Project, a master project is a project that consists of other projects that are inserted as sub-projects. In this video, I'll teach you two different methods for creating a master project, so let's get started. To create a master project the slow way, launch Microsoft Project and then open a new blank project. Click the Project tab to display the project ribbon, and then in the left end of the ribbon, click the Sub-Project button. In the Insert Project dialog, navigate to the folder containing each of the projects that you want to insert as sub-projects. In this dialog, select all of the sub-projects and click the Insert button. The problem with doing it this way is Microsoft Project will insert the sub-projects in reverse order. So then the next thing you'll need to do is drag and drop each of the sub-projects to get them into the correct order. And then you'll also need to expand each of the sub-projects. You'll need to do that starting with the last one, working your way up the list. And then finally, you'll need to widen the task name column. So that's the slow way to create a master project, but there is a much faster method. To create a master project using the fastest method, launch your File Explorer software and navigate to the folder where you save your projects. In that folder, select each of the projects that you want to insert as a sub-project in the new master project. Then right-click on any one of the selected projects. If you want to insert the sub-projects read-write, select the Open option on the shortcut menu. If you want to insert the sub-projects read-only, then select the Open as read-only option on the shortcut menu. I want to open them read-write. If Microsoft Project is not already running, the system will launch the software, and then it will open each of the projects you selected. Then click the View tab to display the View ribbon. At the far right end of the View ribbon in the Windows section, click the button called New Window. In the New Window dialog, select each of the projects that you want to make a sub-project of this new master project. Also select Gantt chart as the view if necessary, then click the OK button. Microsoft Project will rapidly create a new master project for you from the projects you opened and selected. At this point, you can now save your master project. I'll go ahead and click the Save button on my little quick access toolbar, and I'll put the master project in this new product program folder. I'll go ahead and call this new project New Product Program. And when I click Save, the software will confirm, do I want to save the changes to each of the sub-projects? Generally, you want to click Yes to All. So I'll click Yes to All, and with that, I've just created a master project using the fastest method. Now you know two different methods for creating a master project in Microsoft Project. Pick your favorite and go ahead and use it. I sure hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have questions or comments, please enter them in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.